This tutorial is the exercise for the first phase of the cube. In this exercise, we begin by setting our units. Units need to be set to architectural. Secondly, we set our limits, 0, 0, and 2, 2. I will not use snap and grid because I'm going to draw my beginning elements using the line command. If I introduce a new technique, we're going to draw the line using relative coordinates and 2 using built-in functional features. Line, click a start point. We simply do at 1 inch less than 0, and the line is drawn 1 inch to the right. But if we turn on ortho and we move in the direction desired, if we type 1, it moves 1 inch down. We move to the left, we move type in 1, we move 1 inch to the left, and we hit C to close. We now have 4 different lines, as demonstrated in class, that we need to p-edit to turn into one p-line. To p-edit, you type in p-e-d-i-t, click on the object, and it will prompt you to turn it into a p-line. We select yes or enter since yes is default. The next is to select join, and we simply join the objects by drawing a window or selecting each object. We press enter. 3 segments have been added to the original one, which makes it closed. Next, we type extrude. We simply select the object, press enter, and give it a height of 1. Because we're in plan view, you cannot see the third dimension, so therefore we want to type VPOINT. The first time it prompts us for X, Y, Z coordinates for the VPOINT. We press it twice and it gives us our tripod. If we note the class lecture, this quadrant is front, right, top. This quadrant is left, right, front, top. This quadrant is left, back, top. And this quadrant is left, right, back, top. All objects below this circle here would be bottom, 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 bottom for the corresponding view. Front, bottom, right, front, bottom, left, back, bottom, left, back, bottom, right. If we choose this viewport or viewpoint, this should be front, right, top. We then type in hide and we make a prediction. This will be the right, this will be the front, and this will be the top. In order to draw and select face, we have to set our user coordinate system to that particular face. To do so, we type in UCS, and we simply click on origin, a point in the X direction, and a point in the Y direction, and notice my UCS icon is now hinged to that face. If I turn my grid on and off with a lower setting, note how my grid is on that face. You are then required to draw your letter. For the sake of this exercise, I will draw the letter F on this front face. Line, or in this case P line, here, 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 and I'm just clicking using my snap. That is the front of the face. Your requirement will be to draw the letter based on the exercise descriptions from the alphabet assignment 1 or assignment 2. If I wanted to test this viewpoint, right is to the right of front, therefore left should be to the left of the front. Hence, when I type hide, there's the object. You must do this for each face of the cube. This is the end of tutorial for the phase 1 of the cube exercise.